Badger Lace Style Changing Table with Hamper by Badger Basket is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Enjoy a high-quality, handsome changing table that will grow with your child. This lace style changing table with hamper and 3 baskets is designed with safety and style in mind. The changing table is constructed with wood and wood composite with a non-toxic finish. Under the changing surface, a metal support bar provides additional stability, and safety rails enclose all 4 sides around the top of the table. The soft mattress pad included with the table provides comfort for your little one and additional security with its safety strap. The 3 pull-out baskets provide ample room to store and organize changing supplies and other items, and the large hamper is perfect for dirty duds or for storing bulk packs of diapers. And once your baby has outgrown the table, it becomes a useful and attractive piece of furniture for holding clothes or toys. Enjoy functionality and simplicity with this lace-style changing table with hamper and 3 baskets. Hamper bag measures approximately 14.5 inches W by 15.5 inches D by 23 inches H. Baskets measure approximately 12.75 inches W by 17.5 inches D by 7 inches H. Hamper and baskets are canvas-type texture fabric. Changing area has safety rails on all 4 sides. Metal support bar beneath the changing surface provides additional stability. Wood and wood composite table has a non-toxic finish, and hardboard top shelf. Fabric on the baskets and hampers is 80% polyester, 20% cotton. For use up to 30 lbs, 13.6 kilograms. When baby outgrows this table, it becomes a useful and attractive piece of furniture for holding clothes or toys. Illustrated assembly instructions included. Wipe clean with mild soap and a damp cloth when needed. Spot clean baskets as needed. Hamper bag can be removed for washing. Actual color finish may vary slightly from screen display. Toys and accessories shown with the table are for illustration purposes only and are not included with the product. Meets all Badger Basket Smart Lace Style Baby Changing Table with Hamper and 3 baskets is an all-in-one station for changing and dressing your baby and keeping dirty clothes out of sight. Removable drawers and hamper so you can see everything inside and easily tote baby's soiled duds to the laundry room. Canvas, wood, metal. Canvas, wood, metal. Ample storage for sorting and organizing nursery supplies. Hamper bin can be used for clothes or bulky items like diapers and blankets. Made primarily with solid wood. Dream on Me Ashton Changing Table by Dream on Me is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Dream on Me Ashton Collection Changing Table is perfect for any nursery. This changing table has a clean line design, a water-resistant 1-foot mattress pad for changing including a safety strap with a fully enclosed dressing area for extra security. Dream on Me Ashton Changing Table has 2 fixed shelves for open storage, which is ideal for diapers, wipes and other essentials. This changing table can transition into a nightstand as your baby gets older. Dream on Me Ashton Changing Table coordinates with the Dream on Me Ashton 5 inches 1 crib. All Dream on Me products meets or exceeds government and ASTM safety standard. Safety rails enclose on 4 sides, includes water-resistant mattress pad with safety strap. Tested for lead and other toxic elements to meet or exceed government ASTM and meet the CPSC and ASTM standard, constructed out of New Zealand pine wood. All tools for assembly included. Coordinates with Dream on Me Ashton 5 inches 1 cribs.